Guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make goat meat pepper soup. So for the goat meat recipe, I'll be using the intestine of goat meat. Here I have the tripe, and also I have here the kidney, the liver and the heart. I have here medium-sized onion. This is crayfish, 2 cubes. This is Cameroon pepper, and also this is goat meat flavor. This is it. And also I have salt, I have calabash nutmeg, the Igbos call it Ehuru, and I also have yam and Irish potato. This is optional. So here in the pot I have the intestine in this pot, aside from the kidney, the liver and the heart, because the kidney and the heart boils quickly. So now I'll add my 2 Maggi cubes, my onion, and salt. Then I'll leave this to boil for 20 minutes.